Have you ever wondered what the pharmacy profession will look like in the next few years? Will pharmacists be replaced by technology, or will new innovations make their role more important than ever? Welcome to Edu Pharmacy. In today's video, we'll explore the top emerging innovations in pharmacy to watch in 2025, from artificial intelligence to advanced drug delivery, and how these changes are shaping the future of healthcare. So, let's begin. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. One of the biggest innovations transforming pharmacy is artificial intelligence. AI is now being used to speed up drug discovery. What once took years in clinical research can now be done in months with AI models. It also helps in predicting adverse drug reactions before a drug even reaches the market, making treatment safer for patients. And in community pharmacy, AI powered chatbots are assisting patients with simple medication questions while pharmacists focus on more complex care. AI is not here to replace pharmacists, it's here to support them in delivering better, faster, and safer care. Digital health and telepharmacy. Another major trend is digital health and telepharmacy. Imagine a patient in a rural village miles away from the nearest hospital. Through telepharmacy, they can still connect with a pharmacist for counseling and medication review. Smart pillboxes and mobile health apps now remind patients to take their medicines on time and alert caregivers if doses are missed. This digital revolution is ensuring that no patient is left behind, regardless of where they live. Personalized and precision medicine. The future of pharmacy is also moving towards personalized medicine. Thanks to pharmacogenomics, treatments can be tailored to a person's genetic makeup. For example, by testing specific genes, doctors can predict how a patient will respond to antidepressants, blood thinners, or cancer drugs. Pharmacists will play a vital role in interpreting genetic reports and guiding doctors in selecting the safest and most effective therapy for each patient. This means one size fits all medicines may soon become a thing of the past. Advanced drug delivery systems. Another exciting area is advanced drug delivery systems. Nanotechnology is being used to target cancer cells directly, reducing side effects while improving treatment outcomes. We are also seeing the rise of 3D printed medicines, where tablets can be custom made in the exact dose a patient requires. And in the future, smart drug delivery systems like implants that release medication only when needed will provide more precise and controlled therapy than ever before. Automation and robotics. Inside pharmacies, automation and robotics are changing how medicines are dispensed. Robotic arms and automated storage systems can handle thousands of prescriptions every day with greater accuracy, reducing errors and saving time. This allows pharmacists to spend less time counting pills and more time on what truly matters, the patient care. Expanding role of pharmacists. As technology takes over repetitive tasks, the role of pharmacists is expanding. Pharmacists are now not just medicine experts, but also vaccinators, health coaches, and chronic disease managers. In the near future, pharmacists will be key members of healthcare teams, helping patients manage conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and asthma. To thrive in this new era, pharmacy professionals will need to master digital tools, data literacy, and patient centered care. Challenges and ethical concerns. Of course, with every innovation comes new challenges. Digital health raises questions about patient privacy and data security. AI may create concerns about replacing human judgment with algorithms, and the pharmacy workforce will need constant upskilling and training to keep pace with technology. The future is bright, but we must move forward responsibly. So, what does the future of pharmacy look like in 2025? It's a future where technology and pharmacists work hand in hand, a future where medicines are smarter, care is more personalized, and patients receive better outcomes than ever before. Pharmacists are not being replaced, they are being empowered. Thank you for watching Edu Pharmacy. Which of these innovations do you think will have the biggest impact on pharmacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmacy insights. See you in the next video.